Insert two pencils between the box and the stretched rubber. Now, plug the rubber band somewhere in the middle. Do you hear any sound? And what do you observe about the rubber band? Recall that the to and fro or back and forth motion of an object is termed as vibration. When a tightly stretched band is plucked, it vibrates and produces sound. When it stops vibrating, it does not produce any sound. That is the case with musical instruments. Can you identify the vibrating part used to produce sound in these instruments? Guitar, veena, stretched string. Tabla, stretched membrane. Flute, air column. Mouth organ, air column. Drum, stretched membrane. Jal tarang, vibrating glass. Piano, strings. We see that a vibrating object produces sound. Now, that was about the musical instruments and other objects. How is sound produced in humans? In humans, the sound is produced by the voice box or the larynx. Put your fingers on the throat and find a hard bump that seems to move when you swallow. This part of the body is known as the voice box. It is the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality of voice is different from that when they are loose and thick. Let us see how the vocal cords function. The vocal cords in men are about 20 millimeters long. In women, these are about 5 millimeters shorter. Children have very short vocal cords. This is the reason why the voices of men, women, and children are different.